Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is gonna be another study vlog because my exams are literally in 20 days. So we really have to lock in and we have to study very carefully because we do not have much time left. So let us lock in and make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is my ID right here. And if you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that too. Bye bye.
सो एज़ यूजुअल मैंने सुबह उठ के ब्रश कर लिया. आई डिडंट प्लान टू रिकॉर्ड इट बट मैंने सोचा कि मैं बना रही तो रिकॉर्ड कर ही लेती हूँ. फिर मैंने बड लगाया. इट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू एवरी मॉर्निंग. फिर मैं पढ़ने बैठ गई बट बिफोर स्टडिंग जस्ट लुक एट माई एनिमे स्केचेस. आई एम इन टू ड्राइंग एंड आई एम इन टू एनिमे. इफ यू वॉच माई वीडियोज यू माइट नो इट. सो आई ड्रू some characters from Jujutsu Kaisen, from Demon Slayer, and another from Demon Slayer, and another one from Jujutsu Kaisen. If you watch anime, you must know them. So let's not waste any more time and start studying. तो मेरे को आज करना था फूड सिक्योरिटी इन इंडिया इकोनॉमिक्स का चैप्टर 4. लास्ट चैप्टर है. मैंने पिछले दिन थोड़ा सा पार्ट किया था बट पिछले दिन मुझे को बहुत अनप्रोडक्टिव फील हो रहा था तो मैंने सोचा कि आज ही कंप्लीट कर लूँगी. तो आई स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग इट फ्रॉम NCERT का पार्ट इस सब्जेक्ट से बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. बहुत ज़्यादा पूछते भी हैं. एंड मेक श्योर यू रीड द NCERT केयरफुली. सो मैंने वही किया जो मैं अभी वीडियो में बोल रही हूँ.
Guys, मैंने फूड सिक्योरिटी इन इंडिया को पढ़ा. इट वॉज द लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स एंड इट वॉज फेयरली ईजी फॉर मी. द full forms, the points, the datas of different years, those were a bit hard to remember because I am not kind of a memory person. I am bit bad in memory, keeping memory of stuffs. So I had to read it a couple of times and then I made notes and I studied my school notes. And finally the chapter is completed.
Okay guys, so then I took a break and I was watching MSA videos. They're like free therapy to me. I watch them all the time I get bored. And then I decided to do some physics numericals from gravitation. The numericals were not too hard, but the solving part, the calculation parts were a bit tough because the numerical values were literally so big. Look at this problem. It took me so long to solve this, but still the answer was incorrect. So I just gave up on it. So I hope you can understand this feeling. And then I started with forces and laws of motion, but I didn't complete the chapter. I just left it off there. And then I downloaded this worksheet from internet and started solving it.
So I practiced a lot of numericals from this chapter and I think I'll be able to solve those questions in exams. And we are actually done with today's study session. And if you like today's video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want any types of more vlogs, then make sure to comment on my videos, comment down below. Bye bye. Love you all.